maths, we can look at exercise 9G, question 8. Okay, so Jared saves $500 per month in an account that pays interest at a rate of 6% per annum, compounded monthly. If he makes monthly deposits of $500 to the account, how much will he save in the account after 10 years? Okay, so this is known as an annuity investment. Okay, so it's an annuity investment, meaning what he's doing is he's regularly depositing money into the account, and what's going to happen is he gets whatever money is in the account plus interest. So he gets plus interest every month. Okay, so he's growing his money like you working, and whatever you earn you put into the bank account, and that bank account earns interest while you save, basically. So part A is pretty straightforward. You're going to use let's go back here. You're going to use financial. I'm going to clear this, clear page. So my N is 10 years and it's compounding monthly, so you have to go 10 times 12. My interest rate is 6%. My principal value, now it doesn't say he's actually put any money at the very start, like at the very before he deposits the 500. So we're going to assume it's 0. So he didn't put a lump sum at the very start. The payment is 500, it's negative 500. So it's really important that you get the concept of it's positive or negative, because we're depositing, the money's going away from us, going from our own pockets to the bank. Okay. My final value, we're trying to work out, and my P1, C1, 12. Okay, so my final value is 81939. Okay, I'll just copy this. So I can't remember that. Go over here. Okay, so part A, the balance after 10 years would be, this is how much I've accumulated over the 10 years. Okay? And just out of interest, if I didn't deposit that money into the account, like I left it on my mattress, let's see how much will I actually have. So 500 times 10 times 12. So can you see that after 10 years, I've actually made $21,000 more than I would have if I just left it in the mattress. So it's always a tip for life, I suppose. It's always good to not put stuff on your mattress and actually put in a bank account that earns interest while you deposit. So the second part is actually financial change. So suppose that after 10 years making deposits, Jared starts withdrawing each month from the account. How much would he have in the account after another 10 years? So we're assuming that he doesn't deposit anymore, he's just withdrawing. So he's withdrawing 500. So there's a financial change that happens in part B. In part A, it's just a investment or an annuity investment. Then part B, it becomes like a amortizing annuity. Okay, so meaning it's going slowly to 0. Okay, so let's work out how much he gets. Okay, so what you're going to do is your final value from the end of 10 years, the first 10 years, feeds into the starting value for the other 10 years. So, and your PV will be negative because it's assuming it's like you're redepositing the money into the bank account. So you took out the $81,939 and put it back into another account. So just think of it that way. Whenever you have financial change, think of the new scenario and what's going on there. Okay, so we're depositing or withdrawing 500. So the 500 is now positive because we're not putting money in, we're withdrawing, so it's coming to us. How much would the account after 10 years? So how much would there be after 10 years? So 10 times 12. So after 10 years, the interest rate is going to be the same. What's the final value? So 67141.10. So I'm going to put it here. So for part B, 67141.10, and that's the amount left in the account. So it's really important that we're able to switch from one financial situation to another. The key is your basically your FV becomes your new PV. Okay, and remember the sign is really important that you change it. Okay, otherwise you'll get it wrong. Okay, and also think about financial. Are you withdrawing? Or is the money coming to you or is it going outside? Okay, so whenever you're investing or depositing, it's negative. Okay, whenever you're um, taking out, withdrawing, it's positive. Okay, it's really important that you understand the difference. So hopefully